Over 45 years ago, two spacecraft embarked on an extraordinary mission. Meet Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, pioneers of the cosmos. Launched by NASA in 1977, their goal was to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Along the way, they revealed stunning discoveries. Active volcanoes on Io, the massive Great Red Spot on Jupiter, and icy geysers erupting from Neptune's moon Triton. These findings transformed our understanding of the cosmos. But the journey didn't stop there. Today, Voyager 1 and 2 have traveled billions of miles beyond our solar system into interstellar space, farther than any human-made object. They also carry the Golden Record, a time capsule with sounds and messages from Earth, meant for distant civilizations. The Voyager mission proves that humanity's curiosity and ingenuity are limitless. Join us to explore their incredible journey. Imagine a spacecraft so ambitious, it became the first to leave the solar system. This is Voyager 1, the ultimate cosmic pioneer. Launched on September 5, 1977. Voyager 1 embarked on a mission to explore the unknown. It unveiled Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Saturn's dazzling rings, and Titan's thick atmosphere, offering a glimpse into distant worlds. In 2012, Voyager 1 made history, crossing into interstellar space as the first spacecraft to leave the sun's influence. Now, over 14 billion miles from Earth, it continues to send faint signals, bridging the vast expanse between stars. Voyager 1 embodies our relentless curiosity and quest for discovery. Its journey inspires us to keep reaching for the cosmos. Imagine a spacecraft that dared to visit all 4 outer planets, uncovering the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. This is Voyager 2, the ultimate explorer. Launched on August 20th, 1977, just weeks before its twin, Voyager 1, Voyager 2 set out on a unique mission. It became the only spacecraft to visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, revealing stunning secrets of these distant worlds. Voyager 2 captured Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's icy rings, Uranus's tilted magnetic field, and Neptune's deep blue brilliance, transforming our understanding of the outer solar system. Now, billions of miles from Earth, Voyager 2 continues its incredible journey, exploring the edges of interstellar space. A true pioneer, it inspires us to keep reaching for the stars. Imagine a planet so massive it could hold all the other planets combined. This is Jupiter, the king of the solar system. Voyager 1 and 2 unveiled its incredible secrets in 1979. During their flybys, they captured stunning close-up images of the Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. Even more remarkable, Voyager revealed active volcanoes on Io, one of Jupiter's moons, the first discovery of volcanic activity beyond Earth. The spacecraft also uncovered Jupiter's immense magnetic field and mesmerizing auroras, showcasing a planet teeming with dynamic and powerful phenomena. Voyager transformed our understanding of this giant world, proving Jupiter is not just massive, it's extraordinary. Imagine a planet so mesmerizing, it's called the jewel of the solar system. This is Saturn, a world of breathtaking rings and fascinating mysteries. When Voyager 1 and 2 visited Saturn in the early 1980s, they transformed our view of this stunning planet. The spacecraft revealed that Saturn's rings, once thought to be solid, are made of countless icy particles ranging in size from dust grains to massive boulders, constantly shifting and colliding in a delicate dance. Voyager also uncovered the wonders of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, with its thick atmosphere rich in organic compounds, raising the possibility of conditions for life. It also identified icy Enceladus, a small moon hiding a vast subsurface ocean, hinting at the potential for habitability. Saturn isn't just beautiful, it's a world of endless stories. Thanks to Voyager, we saw its magic for the first time. Imagine venturing to the edge of the solar system, where two mysterious ice giants await. Voyager 2 took us there, unveiling the secrets of Uranus and Neptune, worlds shrouded in mystery. In 1986, Voyager 2 became the first and only spacecraft to visit Uranus. It revealed the planet's extreme tilt, causing it to spin sideways like a rolling ball. Voyager also discovered faint rings and 27 moons, including Miranda, a fractured world with towering ice cliffs that hint at a violent past. In 1989, Voyager 2 reached Neptune, a stunning deep blue planet with raging storms and winds over 1,200 miles, the fastest in the solar system. It also found geysers on Triton, Neptune's icy moon, which orbits in reverse. These discoveries marked Voyager 2's epic finale, forever securing its legacy as an interstellar pioneer. What lies beyond our solar system? Voyager 1 and 2 dared to find out, venturing into interstellar space, the vast, uncharted region between stars. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, followed by Voyager 2 in 2018. This milestone marked their crossing of the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends, and particles from other stars dominate. Even now, billions of miles from Earth, these spacecraft continue to send invaluable data. Voyager 1 measures the density of interstellar plasma, while Voyager 2 provides insights into the heliosphere's shape and the surrounding cosmic environment. Equipped with golden records carrying Earth's story, the Voyagers remain symbols of humanity's boundless curiosity. They journey on, exploring the unknown and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. What would you send to aliens to represent Earth? Voyager's golden record is humanity's ultimate time capsule, a cosmic message in a bottle. Launched aboard Voyager 1 and 2 in 1977, the golden record is a 12-inch gold-plated disc designed to tell the story of life on Earth. Created under the guidance of Carl Sagan, it holds greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature like thunder and birdsong, and music spanning cultures and eras, from Beethoven's symphonies to Chuck Berry's rock and roll. The record also includes images of human life, mathematical concepts, and even a pulsar map to guide extraterrestrials to Earth. It wasn't just a message for potential alien civilizations. It was a celebration of our shared humanity. Now billions of miles away, the golden record continues its eternal journey, carrying humanity's essence into the stars. After 45 years, the Voyagers are still exploring the cosmos. But what are they doing now? Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, over 14 billion and 12 billion miles from Earth respectively, are the farthest human-made objects in space. These pioneers continue to send invaluable data about interstellar space, revealing the environment where particles from distant stars flow freely. With power supplies dwindling, NASA has carefully managed their resources, turning off some instruments to keep the most critical ones active. Even so, the Voyagers operate decades beyond their original mission, defying expectations. Each spacecraft carries a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's story, destined to drift among the stars for billions of years. Though one day their voices will go silent, the Voyagers remain eternal symbols of humanity's boundless curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. Two small spacecraft, launched over 45 years ago, forever changed humanity's view of the cosmos. This is the enduring legacy of the Voyager mission. The Voyagers uncovered the solar system's hidden wonders: volcanoes erupting on Io, geysers on Triton, Saturn's dazzling rings, Neptune's ferocious storms, and Uranus's tilted magnetic field. They transformed how we understand planets, moons, and the dynamic nature of our celestial neighbors. Each spacecraft carries the golden record, a time capsule of Earth's greetings, music, and images, symbolizing hope, unity, and our desire to connect with the universe. Voyager's greatest legacy isn't just in the groundbreaking data it sent back, but in its spirit of discovery. It reminds us that curiosity knows no boundaries, and that the journey to understand the cosmos never truly ends.